course puts an emphasis on creating good handwriting habits. It also explores every detail of the letter in each of the worksheet lesson activities. The video for each lesson has me writing the letters with a step-by-step guidance for each student to follow. This class contains handwritten practice sheets for students to learn by tracing over the letters and words. The words are from A to Z and have different themes. The large practice sheet is 3/4 of an inch or 1.8 centimeters and goes progressively smaller to medium, small, and wide ruled, which is the goal of the class. So students that took a different course might not have these 4 levels, and this really helps with controlling your pencil or pen and having the ability to print at any different size. As the student progresses through the course, they'll be able to write paragraphs, not having any lines at the top. Also, paper that doesn't have any lines at all, and the goal is to write on the wide ruled paper and any of the kind of selections they might have in future classes for math, science, English, or reading, or anything at all.